But when it comes to mental health, we hear of the most bizarre cases, and you think that, okay, but this person was absolutely fine, or this person was fully successful. Why does an absolutely, on the outside, the image of people that we have to be defined by their mental state? नहीं तो पहले क्या होता था कि नहीं, मन अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, कुछ नहीं, तो इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल थिंग, वेयर पीपल वुड से, अरे कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी देर सो जाओ, ठीक हो जाओगे, या खाना खा लो, थोड़ी देर काम बंद कर दो तो ठीक हो जाओगे. नो, दैट्स नॉट द इशू. द पॉइंट इज दैट इफ देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, address it.
Remember you telling me your daughter's obsession with your ring light, which she would just pick up and move around.
Yeah.
So, how are things now? कुछ better हुई है चीजें या अभी भी वो सब चल रहा है?
Lots has changed.
Yeah.
Lots has changed. The ring light has gone because she's damaged it twice over, so I stopped buying it. Because she started thinking that's the moon. So I said, no, Baba, Chanda Mama वहाँ है, वो रे Chanda Mama, ये ring light Chanda Mama नहीं है.
Alright, so today I have with me Neha Dhupia joining in. Neha is here to talk to me about her film Step Out, which will be releasing on Disney Plus Hotstar from the 4th of February. Welcome, Neha. How are you?
I'm absolutely fine, thank you. हमारी बहुत सारी बातचीत तो already हो चुकी है, पर आपको edit में संभाल लेना, because we started talking. It's very exciting for me, and I want everyone to know this, that you're one of the few people who's actually like गिने चुने 10 लोग who've actually watched the film before it's come out. So I'm just really happy that we're talking about the film.
Definitely, 100%. Okay, Neha, firstly, the last time we spoke, that was for No Filter Neha. And I think उस चीज को अब 4-5 महीने हो चुके हैं. And I remember you telling me how you were still sort of adjusting to the entire work from home situation, because it was still very new for everybody, I remember you telling me that because you have a kitchen, Angad was around and he was just making a lot of noise and that was very disturbing for you. I also remember you telling me your daughter's obsession with your ring light, which she would just pick up and move around.
Yeah.
So, how are things now? कुछ better हुई है चीजें या अभी भी वो सब चल रहा है?
Lots has changed.
Yeah.
Lots has changed. The ring light has gone because she's damaged it twice over, so I stopped buying it. Because she started thinking that's the moon. So I said, no, Baba, Chanda Mama वहाँ है, वो रे Chanda Mama, ये ring light Chanda Mama नहीं है. So that is gone. So we're still working with natural light, which is a window right here on our left. Oh, even Siri saying interesting question. And Angad, right now we don't have a walk-in kitchen. This is the bedroom, so we have a walk-in wardrobe, and you don't want to know what's going on the other side. So yeah, he's walking around pretty freely.
How have you been keeping yourself sane in the past few months? Because I'm guessing it must have been it's just very sad and depressing for everybody around, being stuck at home. I mean, of course, we're in a very good space by the grace of God, that we still have our houses, we still have our families to be around. But still, I mean, still there are things that just the feeling of not being able to step out the way we used to. How do you keep your sanity in place?
Just because you have your home, and just because you have your 3 square meals to eat, it's not a guarantee that you don't have mental health problems.
Yeah.
I mean, that can happen anywhere. Mental health is not related to the number of square meals you have. Yes, there is stress. I mean, there are some people who are more fortunate and some people who are less fortunate. But when it comes to mental health, we hear of the most bizarre cases, and you think that, okay, but this person was absolutely fine, or this person was fully successful. Why does an absolutely, on the outside, the image of people that we have to be defined by their mental state? We just form a judgment just because someone's films are doing well, or their business is doing well, or they look great, or they have their 3 square meals and their children are absolutely healthy, or they have from what looks on the outside a wonderful home. Then there are no mental health issues. Not at all. It's not it sees no boundaries. It's not defined by a demographic.
Yeah.
So if more than ever in 2020 people have slipped into it, or people are coming out and talking about it, it is a consequence of what the world is going through, but to say that 10 years ago or 20 years ago it used to not be there is a lie. अब लोग बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में, अब इसके बारे में फिल्में बन रही हैं क्योंकि लोगों को समझ आएगा. Or even abuse. I mean, look at Thappad. It's such a great film. And the whole thing was that it's not just one slap. कितने लोगों को, कितनी औरतों को वो फिल्म देख के भी हिम्मत हुई होगी to say that, you know, they may have regretted this decision कि थोड़ी देर पहले या कई साल पहले in their relationship they must have got slapped once and said no, it's okay, it's not okay, you've got to use your voice. भगवान सबको आवाज देता है, आपको उठानी चाहिए. There are unfortunate circumstances. Very easy for you and me to say कि no, come on, raise your voice. But if you go through, I was reading an article about a woman who's going through domestic physical abuse after being married to a man because he would just drink and beat her up, and she was just like, अगर मैं इसको छोड़ दूंगी तो मेरे बच्चे कहाँ से मैं पालूंगी? Now, if you put yourself in her situation, is it easy to come out and talk about abuse? No, it's not. But there are agencies, there are numbers, there are helplines. When somebody reaches out to you saying, I'm not feeling okay or I'm not feeling 100%, don't just say, यार कोई बात नहीं यार, थोड़ा सो जा यार, कोई बात नहीं, तुम कुछ मीठा खा लो, तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक हो जाएगी. You know, it's not that. It's not. Mental health and low blood pressure are two completely different things. Let's not mix it up.
You know, like you spoke about Thappad, and I remember the kind of conversations that started, you know, when the film came out. I guess even for this film, when it comes out, I really hope that people do have that conversation. And like you said, कि आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी जीत होगी कि अगर, you know, if it affects somebody and people watch it and, you know, feel that, you know, they need to do something about it. People, especially who are going through all of these things. Even as a society, you know, if, you know, that is what, if a film really sort of inspires you to take that step and, you know, to just stand up for yourself, I think it's just such a win-win situation for everybody, you know, and that is such a nice thing. So yes, I'm really glad that you're bringing this topic up. Kudos to that. So why don't you tell me a little about Step Out, because I don't want to, you know, give out the main thing and the spoilers and all of that, so I'm going to keep shut. Why don't you tell me a little about that?
There's a lovely young boy called Dave who's you know, in the film, not opposite me, but we're both telling a very important narrative. Now, this important narrative is about mental health. हम मतलब घर में बैठ के कितना भी कहें कि आपको अगर mental health issues हैं, please आइए बात कीजिए इसके बारे में. At least now people are talking about it. People are aware. नहीं तो पहले क्या होता था कि नहीं, मन अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, कुछ नहीं. तो it's a very normal thing, you know, where people would say, अरे कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी देर सो जाओ, ठीक हो जाओगे, या खाना खा लो, थोड़ी देर काम बंद कर दो तो ठीक हो जाओगे. No, that's not the issue. The point is that if there is a problem, address it. अगर आपके घुटने में चोट लगी है या फिर, you know, आपकी कोई हड्डी टूटी है, सीधा आप तुरंत जाओगे डॉक्टर के पास. So this is also a real problem. There are doctors over there. There are shrinks. There are people there to help you. There are medicines in the market जहाँ पे वो ऐसे ही तो नहीं बनी, ऐसे ही तो नहीं पड़ी हुई. That people need to talk about it. That is one part of it. So mental health is what Step Out talks about. Along with mental health, we're also talking about people who need to come out and talk about it.
All right. So for everybody watching, Step Out is releasing on the 4th of February on Disney Plus Hotstar. Neha, would you want to say anything as your parting thoughts?
Well, no parting thoughts. I never want to say goodbye, but here's the truth, that Step Out is a very important film, especially for the times that we're living in. It's going to take only like 9 minutes, 35 seconds of your time. Please make the time. Please watch it. Please spread the word. It comes out on Disney Plus Hotstar on the 4th of February. Might as well see it sooner than later, right?
Definitely. Lovely. Thank you so much, Neha. It's always so nice talking to you. And again, it was. Thank you so much.
Likewise.
Thank you for the film. Because I have seen the film, I can vouch for it. So yes, congrats on that in advance. So yes.
Thank you very much. Take care, Shweta. Have a good day. Bye.